Okay, so I'm a Minnesota history teacher. In sixth grade, we focus on Minnesota history. We do a little bit with the world map because I think, sixth graders should know where the Pacific Ocean is. They should know where the Atlantic Ocean is. They should know the 7 different continents and so on. Okay, but we also talk, and I did it during distance learning. Maybe I'll post my worksheet or my video here about map distortion and how Greenland looks bigger than South America. And actually, what a lot of people are saying today is that all of North America, the northern part of the world looks a lot bigger than the southern part of the world, and they're saying it's racist. And I don't. It certainly looks that way. It could be that way. I don't know for sure, but I, as a history teacher, do teach about map distortion, okay, and how they create maps. And when you try to take a 3D object and put it on a 2D object, it just doesn't quite fit. So what I've done is I'm using Maps, which is it's part of Google. What I've done, I've gone and outlined this. It's this button, draw a line. I draw a line, and then I highlighted it in green. And I went around Greenland to show map distortion. When I click and drag this down to the middle, you see that Greenland is very, very small. It's way smaller, and they say it's about 9 times. Well, they say South America 9 times bigger than Greenland, and I bet I could fit 9 in there pretty easily. In fact, I'd do that if I wanted to. But as you get farther north or farther south, here, if I drag down, if you get farther south, oh, now I got a problem here. Keeps wanting to get those little bubbles. As you get farther south, it's the same thing, but it seems to start acting quicker when you go north. Okay, but it's both. So Antarctica on most maps looks ginormous. It's huge. It's bigger than the rest of the world, but it's not big at all. Okay, I'll try to show you that as well. As I go north again, Antarctica does not get very big. So I'm not defending maps. I'm not arguing with anyone. I'm just showing you, this is what I teach my kids. And I could certainly add in that it's interesting that all the southern ones get smaller, because I could do South America too and drag that one north right next to America. And we'll just kind of see. I'm just doing a rough sketch, not 100% accurate. Whoops. Cancel. Shoot. Okay. All right, so there's South America. And if I drag that up next to North America, you see it gets a lot bigger at top. So Canada really looks a lot bigger than it should. Russia actually looks a lot bigger than it should. If I drag Africa up there, I mean, you can see it's 10 times bigger than Russia. So yeah, there is map distortion, and I think there's plenty of people that teach it. But everyone should know, so it's good to share.